Good morning. This is Sam Crowder of Sam Services, Stump Grinding. I'm the Stumpologist. I'm talking to you this morning in reference to my remote control for my 7015 Carlton remote control stump grinder. Several years ago, I got tired of having to plug in cord to control this machine, and I discovered Kurt Snyder. Kurt builds plug and go remote control systems. I got my systems probably about 7-8 years ago, and it's the best thing I ever did. I can operate the machine within 300 feet. It's a plug and go system. This is what my transmitter looks like. I put this cord on it so I can hang it around my neck because I'm too lazy to hold it. The best thing about this is Kurt Snyder. When I have a problem, I call Kurt. He lives in Michigan. I call Kurt. He answers his phone. I describe to him what's going on, what my symptoms are, and I have yet to have him not be able to diagnose my problem over the phone. Last week, I had a case where my machine was stopping intermittently on its own in all of the motions. He told me what the problem was. He talked me through fixing it over the phone, and within 2 hours I was back on the road. You can't beat a remote control by Kurt Snyder. Now, here's his information. It's Kurt Snyder, AutoFeedPlus.com. Electronic Solutions is the name of the company. There's his telephone number. There's a picture of my original remote control, and I call him my remote control guy. Give Kurt a call, and I'm sure you'll be happy. All right? Y'all have a good day. See ya.